What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you some examples regarding common factoring. First example, saying 5x squared plus 25x plus 50. So the answer will be, as you see here, the 5 is common between all of them. I just want to show you the common factor for these examples. So we can factor 5 in here. So it's going to be x squared plus 5x plus 10. Next example, we have 3x minus 15y. Answer will be 3 is common between both of them, so I can factor 3. It's going to be x minus 5y. Why? Because negative 15y divided by 3 is going to be negative 5. Next example, (9y minus 9z). Answer will be factor 9 is going to be 9 in bracket y minus z. Next example, have 4ax plus 12ay minus 6az. So as you see here, a is common between all of them, and all these numbers are multiple of 2, so they are all even numbers. So I can factor 2a is going to be 2x, 6y, negative 3z. Next example, have 5qpr minus pqs minus 10pqt. Answer is, I can factor p and q, p and q, p and q. So p and q are common for all of them. So it's going to be 5r. Why? Because when you divide this one by this one, you're going to get 5r. And here we have just s. And here we have 10t. Next example, we have 3y squared minus 9y minus 20y cubed. Answer will be, as you see here, y is common between all of them, so I can factor y, and the smallest exponent for y is just 1, so it's going to be 1. So here we have 3, negative 9 and negative 20. There is nothing common between all of them, so it's going to be just 3y squared divided by y, 3y minus 9 minus 20y squared. Next example, we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 6. Answer will be 2, 2, 2. Factor 2 is going to be x squared minus x minus 3. Next example, 9a cubed plus 27b squared. Answer will be, 9 is common between both of them because this one is 9, this one is the multiple of 9. So 9a cubed divided by 9 is going to be a cubed. 27b squared divided by 9 is going to be 3b squared. Next example, you have 3m to the power of 5 minus 6m to the power of 3 plus 9m. Answer will be, m is common between all of them. The smallest exponent is just m to the power 1. Then as you see here, 3 is common between all of them, so it's going to be 3m. 3m to the power 5 divided by 3m is going to be m to the power 4. Negative 6m cubed divided by 3m will be negative 2m squared. 9m divided by 3m is going to be just 3. Next example, I have 12x minus 8x squared, 8x squared plus 24x to the power of 3. Answer will be x in common between all of them. I factor x. So, and also 4. All of them are multiple of 4. The GCF of all of them is 4. So 12x divided by 4x is going to be 3. Negative x squared divided by 4x is going to be negative 2x. 24x cubed divided by 4x will be 6x squared. Next example. Have 24y to the power of 5 plus 6y to the power of 3. Answer will be, here we have y cubed, here we have y to the power of 5. So the smallest one is going to be y cubed. 6 and 24. 24 is a multiple of 6, so we can factor 6 here. The GCF is 6. So 24y to the power of 5 divided by 6y to the power of 3 will be 4y squared. And 6y cubed divided by 6y cubed is going to be 1. Next example. It will be 6rst plus 3rs minus 7t. Answer will be so 6 and 3 and negative 7, they don't have any GCF. So rs and rs, no. So t is not common, so cannot factor, because there is no common factor between all of them. Next example, we have 33ab plus 22bc minus 11b squared. Answer will be 33, 22, negative 11. You can factor 11. And also b is common between all of them, so I can factor b as well. So 33ab divided by 11b is going to be 3a. 22bc divided by 11b is going to be 2c. And here we have b. Next example. We have 24xy squared plus 16x squared y. Answer will be, you factor 8 is common between both of them, and x and y also. So we have 24 divided by 8 is 3, y squared is going to be y. 16 divided by 8 is 2, and we have x. Next example is 35xy minus 10y squared. Answer will be 35 and negative 10, both of them are multiple of 5, so I can factor 5. Here we have xy, here we have y squared, so I can factor y. So it's going to be 7x minus 2y. Next example, 5rst minus 15ab plus 7cd. 5 and negative 15 and 7, no GCF. RST, AB and CD, no GCF, so cannot factor. Next example, 24xy squared minus 36xy plus 12x squared y. Answer is 24, negative 36 and 12. I can factor 12. Xy squared, xy and x squared y, so we can factor xy. Then it's going to be 2y minus 3 plus x. This is going to be the answer. Next example, 27 a squared b cubed plus 18 a squared b squared minus 9a cubed b squared. Answer will be, we have a factor for 9, it's going to be 9, and also we have a squared b cubed, a squared b squared, and a cubed b cubed. So a squared is the GCF because that has the smallest exponent, and also b squared as well. So it's going to be 9 a squared b squared. 27 a squared b cubed is going to be 3b. This divided by this one is going to be 2, just 2, because these two cancel out. And negative 9a cubed b squared will be negative a. Next example. We have 18 m cubed n squared plus 6 m n squared minus 12 m squared n to the power of n to the power of 3. Answer will be 18, 6 and negative 12. 6 is the GCF. M cubed, m and m squared. M is going to be the GCF, and here we have n squared, and n cubed. So n squared is going to be the GCF. So this divided by this guy is going to be 3 m squared. Here we have 6 divided by 6 is 1. This actually is going to be 1. The whole thing is 1. So here we have negative 2 m n. Next example. It's going to be 9 x y to the power of 3 minus 27 x squared y cubed plus 18 x y to the power of 4. Answer will be, I have 9, negative 27, and 18, so we can factor 9. X squared, and x, I can factor x. And here we have y cubed is the smallest one. So it's going to be 1 minus 3x plus 2y. That's going to be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. And if you found it useful, please like this video. And you can also subscribe this channel to find lots of other videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.